In this video from Device Doctor, I will fix missing colors on an Epson Expression Home XP-2105. If head cleaning and power cleaning didn't solve the problem, I'll show you an effective manual method to restore proper ink flow and bring the missing colors back. Missing colors are usually caused by air trapped in the ink lines or poor ink flow to the printhead. When head cleaning and power cleaning fail to restore the missing colors, a manual ink flow restoration method may be required to remove trapped air and restore normal printing. As you can see, the print result is missing all colors, which means the printer is not delivering ink properly. Let's fix the problem step by step. First, turn off the printer before starting the manual cleaning process. Now move the printhead to the center so you can remove the ink cartridges. If the printhead is locked and won't move, rotate the gear shown on the screen to release the lock. Once it's unlocked, carefully slide the printhead to the center. Now lift the cartridge lock slightly and remove all the ink cartridges. Since this printer has been converted to a chipless system, the cartridges may look different from yours. Don't worry, the removal process is the same. Simply remove all the cartridges carefully. Now you'll need a syringe. The size isn't critical. You can use a smaller one if that's what you have. However, I recommend using a 50 milliliter syringe because it makes the process easier and more effective. The procedure is exactly the same regardless of the syringe size. Now apply gentle suction with the syringe. This restores proper ink flow by removing trapped air and clearing any ink flow restrictions inside the ink lines, helping all colors reach the printhead correctly. Draw approximately 3 to 5 milliliters of ink from each cartridge. This is usually enough to restore proper ink flow without removing excessive amounts of ink. Now place the ink cartridges back into their original positions. Make sure each cartridge is pressed down firmly until it locks into place. The clicking sound indicates that the cartridge is properly seated and ready for use. Now turn the printer around and locate the waste ink tube that transfers excess ink to the maintenance box. Apply gentle suction from this tube and remove a few milliliters of ink. This helps complete the air removal process and ensures that the ink flow system is fully restored. Now pay close attention. You can easily connect the ink waste tube firmly to the syringe and gently draw out the old ink and trapped air inside the system. This helps clear the ink path and restore proper ink flow. Now reassemble the printer, connect it to the power source and turn it on. Wait until the printer finishes its startup process and becomes ready for operation. Now the printer is ready. Perform a test print to check the result. If the missing colors are restored, the problem has been successfully fixed. However, if some colors are still missing, run a head cleaning cycle once and check the print result again. As you can see, the missing colors have been successfully restored and the Epson Expression Home XP-2105 is printing normally again. In this video, we fixed an ink flow problem that could not be solved with head cleaning or power cleaning by using a manual restoration method. I hope this tutorial helped you bring your printer back to perfect working condition. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Device Doctor, and share it with others who may have the same problem. Thanks for watching and see you in the next repair.